Hey guys, this is Mark and welcome to this another video from my YouTube channel, and today we are going to build a new desktop PC. This build will be great for 1080p gaming or for productivity tasks such as video editing or programming. I specifically chose Ryzen 5 for this build, which has 6 cores, 12 threads, and each core has 3.4 GHz base clock and 3.9 GHz boost clock. This is unlocked, so you can overclock it considering you have a decent cooler to handle high temps, and this processor uses AM4 socket. I partnered it with Gigabyte B40 Pro Wi-Fi motherboard. This is a great motherboard with onboard Wi-Fi that has a decent coverage. It also has Bluetooth, so you can easily connect with your, say, wireless speakers. For handling the CPU temperature, I use the CoolerMaster MA610P with RGB lighting. For the memory or RAM, I use two pieces of Super Luce 2400 MHz for supporting dual channel. For my power supply, I opted for EVGA 80 plus bronze 500 watts. I have researched about this and found out that this will be enough for the processor and the video card that I will be recommending. As for my storage, I decided to lessen my cable to help me with cable management. So I picked Samsung Evo 960 M.2 NVMe 500 with 500 gigabyte of storage. You can get the Samsung 860 M.2 SATA if you want it to be less expensive, though a bit slower than NVMe. One good thing about this motherboard is it has two slots of M.2. So if I need to expand my 500 gigs, which is admittedly small nowadays, I can just find 1 terabyte M.2 storage and snap it on my motherboard. And lastly, I got myself the Aerocool Quartz RGB casing. It has 4 fans with RGB halos. You will be getting a tempered glass on the side as well as on the front, which showcases those beautiful halos. Without a video card on this build yet, it only costs 39,540 Philippine peso, which roughly translates to $758 and 34 cents. I recommend getting RX 580 with 8 gigs of VRAM or the GTX 1060 with 6 gigs of VRAM. Adding the price of that new video card that you'll be getting for this build will roughly be in the $1,000 mark, or in Philippine peso, it's around 50 or 55,000, sort of like that. So that's it about this build, and here's the short b-roll or montage of the completed build of this PC. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this PC building for a specific budget, which is $1,000 budget. And if I happen to get the video card, either RX 580 or 1060 GTX 1060, I'll update you guys. I'll make a video for that. Maybe I can benchmark it and show you the performance of this entire build. So yeah, that's it. Until my next video, please consider subscribing and like this video if you did like it. And again, thanks for watching.